Well, what a fantastic surprise we had the other morning. I'm not sure if you were, but we put up an owl box a few weeks ago, about 6 weeks ago. And a couple of nights after, we had a bit of a visit from a barn owl. And the night after that, we had a brief visit from a little owl. And we hadn't seen anything for, well, we've seen the odd kestrel that in the day, but we hadn't seen any owls turn up for like six weeks since we put it up. Since the first two that turned up, to be fair. And, well, early the other morning, a male barn owl came and had a look, and he stuck around for quite a while. He seemed very cautious, but he popped inside the box and had a look around. So he didn't stay in there for long. He was soon back out on the platform, having a look around. Had a bit of a scratch. And he walked over to the camera, and for some reason it stopped recording. I'm not sure why, but it still works fine, but I have no idea what happened. But a bit of a shame, because we could have missed quite a bit of footage. But anyway, hoping he brings his partner back to have a look around. And if she likes it, who knows, they may have a brood. Fingers crossed, eh?